Hello and welcome once again. Some laws in mathematics are very difficult to understand. How can you tell me that, according to the law of indices, that any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1? Don't forget that any law in mathematics has been proven. That is why it was made a law. And any law automatically is true. That means the veracity of any law is very sure. Let's go ahead to prove that any number raised to the power of 0 is 1 according to the law of indices. Let's assume that this A is 5. Remember, the A here stands for a base number, while the 0 here stands for the power or the exponent. So let me assume this A to be 5. Hence, I have 5 raised to the power of 0. And according to the law of indices, this number is 1. Okay? So how did the people that stated the law of indices, how did they go to the point of saying that a number raised to the power of 0 is 1? That is what this video is all about. Let's go ahead to do that. Remember that 5 can still be put as 5 raised to the power of 1 minus 1. Because 5 raised to the power of 1 minus 1 is 0, which is 5 raised to the power of 0. So 5 raised to the power of 0 is the same thing as 5 raised to the power of 1 minus 1. And don't forget that 5 raised to the power of 1 minus 1 can still be put as 5 raised to the power of 1 multiplied by another 5 raised to the power of minus 1. Because according to the law of indices, if we have A raised to a certain power, assuming 2, then multiplied by another A, which is the same base, raised to another power, maybe minus 2. This is the same thing as taking one of the bases, which is A, then adding their powers because of the multiplication. And to add their powers, I have 2 plus minus 2. So I'm adding 2 to minus 2, such that A raised to the power of 2 plus multiplied by minus is minus, then 2. So bring this knowledge to existence here. This is the same thing as this, okay? So if I multiply out, I got this. So if I multiply out, I would get this, okay? So that is how the law came about. Let's go ahead to solve. Remember, 5 raised to the power of 1 is the same thing as 5, okay? Multiplied by, this is multiplication, dot product, okay? Then multiplied by, this is 5 raised to the power of minus 1, which means the reciprocal of 5. That is the implication of this. This is the implication of this. Anytime you have a certain number, assuming A raised to the negative 1, it is the same thing as taking the reciprocal of A. So bring this into place here. 5 raised to the power of negative 1 is just the reciprocal of 5. Such that 5 is the same thing as 5 over 1. And this implies that 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. And that is all over. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. Such that 5 divided 5, we are going to have 1. Therefore, any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. If you like this video, remember to reshare this video and to follow my page on Facebook to view more of my math content. See you in my next video.